Here are 9 common things that can hinder your workout progress. 1. Poor nutrition. Not eating enough, eating too much, or lacking protein can stall muscle growth and fat loss. 2. Lack of sleep. Inadequate rest reduces recovery and performance. 3. Inconsistent training. Skipping workouts or not sticking to a plan can slow progress. 4. Overtraining. Not giving your body enough time to recover can lead to fatigue and injury.
5. Improper form. Doing exercises incorrectly can cause injury and reduce effectiveness. 6. No progressive overload. If you're not gradually increasing weights or intensity, you won't see improvement. 7. Stress. High stress increases cortisol, which can hinder recovery and muscle gain. 8. Dehydration. Not drinking enough water affects performance and recovery. 9. Neglecting recovery. Ignoring stretching, mobility, and rest days limits long-term progress.
Tap like if that helped. Subscribe for more fitness and wellness tips.